Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying hardware and account readiness. Make sure your iPhone supports Face ID and is updated. Once done, confirm your Apple ID and payment method. Next, open Settings, go to Face ID and passcode, and follow the prompts to enroll your face if you haven't already. While scanning, move your head slowly in the circle so the system captures multiple angles. When enrollment completes, make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock and app authentication before proceeding to the App Store steps. Now you enable Face ID specifically for App Store purchases. Go to Settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode, and toggle on iTunes and App Store. This links biometric approval to purchases. Then open the App Store and try to download a free app. When prompted, the purchase sheet should show Face ID. If it still asks for your password, enter it once and select the option to use Face ID for future purchases. Make sure good lighting and your face is unobstructed, so authentication is reliable. Finish by testing a real App Store flow. Try a free app download or a small paid purchase. You should see the Face ID prompt and authenticate to complete it. If it doesn't work, go back to Settings, toggle iTunes and App Store off and on, or re-enroll Face ID by deleting and setting it up again. If problems persist, restart the device, check for iOS updates, and as a last resort, contact Apple support. This resolves account or hardware-related issues that simple steps don't fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.